everyone, thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. I am here to show you some new addition to my family. Yes, I've got a new cat. She's fantastic. But I've got a lion too. Look at this one. Don't you like him? He's got fur here. Crazy hair. Ears. And it's especially made to make you feel more comfortable in your back as you lay back like this. You lay back in between his, I don't know, arms, maybe you can say, and you kind of relax like this, and it's a cushion. It's soft and quiet and comfortable, especially if I'm doing a lot of knitting. And I think he's fantastic company to my family at home. And I like this line very much so. And I have seen my little cat also kissing his eyes. So I think she likes his eyes, Lion's eyes. He's a buddy, new buddy in my family. I love him, don't you? Thank you for watching and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.